This whole thing is driving me crazy, guys. Have you ever heard about the Ferrari SP1 and the SP2? My God, they are the most beautiful things I have ever seen in my life, and I want one so bad. So let me tell you, for those of you who don't know what that is a special edition car that Ferrari is going to build 400 and 500 of, and I think of each, the SP1 and the SP2. They're based on their V12, F12 series, so they're not spending a lot of money on R&D, but they're making them look like those 1950s, 1960s race cars that they used to have, like the most valuable ones ever. And I think that is such a hit for Ferrari, and I'm so scared that they're not realizing what a great opportunity they have right now. And again, I'm legitimately like sweating for one of these cars. I'm not gonna buy one because it's ridiculously priced now. It's $2 million sticker, and then you gotta pay the over to whatever guy is gonna sell you the car. But I think Ferrari's missing out a big point right now that they could take on and fucking kill it. They're making cars that look beautiful, like classic retro gentleman cars. They have a chance at getting to a market that no one else has gotten yet. They can still build their Pista, they can still build their TDFs, but they should also build a numbered model, like 300, 250 of each one of those in the same way that they're doing right now and sell them to the public. I would buy that all day and night, all fucking day and night. Anyways, I don't want to bore you with that. Just gonna get my water, and we gotta get going because we're gonna drop off the Raptor S. Let's go. What's up, dude?
What up, man?
Thank you for stopping by for a second before you go to Dubai. What are you going to Dubai for? Can we know?
Doing a little rally with Supercars of London.
You're such a fucker.
I know.
Have so much fun.
I've never been to Dubai. I don't know what to expect.
Enjoy yourself.
It's gonna be sick. You're gonna have a blast. I'm pumped for it.
Fuck. All right, we're here at gas right now. I gotta find Tommy so we can give him this. Farghini, what are you looking at?
Roush.
Oh, that's a Roush F-150. That's dope. Really dope. Let's go get Tommy. What the fuck is that? That's so dope.
Is that?
Look at the white walls, dude, on that thing. Holy shit. Is it rusty?
I can't tell if it's like.
Is it rusty or paint?
I can't tell.
You
Or
can't
a
tell
wrap.
by
It could be
touching
a
it
wrap,
either.
too,
It's a wrap. Could be a wrap. I don't know. That is
oxidization.
That is really dope. It looks really real.
This looks really good.
Yeah. Oh, look at the lights, dude. This fucking thing, just so you know, this is loaded.
Yeah.
This is loaded.
This
of
is,
whatever it is,
yeah,
but
yeah,
it's
there's
loaded.
a lot of money that went into this.
I was gonna ask Tommy, hey Tommy, where are we gonna put the Raptor S? And Farshad said,
Up your ass.
Tommy, where are we really gonna put it? It's too wide.
We're gonna put it across the street in the Galvin Ford showroom, the main showroom.
Oh yes, in the Ford showroom.
I just gotta move around like every other car so I can have enough room to fit that. But yes.
Do you think it'll fit for sure? That's fucking awesome. So if you guys want to see the Raptor S in action, all the stuff, just come to Galpin Ford. It's gonna be right here in the showroom. As for Tommy, he's always here. He sleeps here. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Crazy.
You can tell he sleeps here. Look.
I didn't do anything else, so I'm here all the time.
Thank you, Tommy. I'm very excited about this. Oh, fuck yeah. It's boss day. So congratulations, Tommy. You're a boss.
Hey, Alejandro, here's happy boss.
Oh, you're such a piece of shit.
Yeah. On a serious note, we're running out of time. We gotta go.
God damn, Ivan. Being the Aston Martin manager has never looked so good.
You know what I'm saying? We wear suits every day now. We gotta look
Keep
good.
it up. Congratulations, dude. For real. Well deserved. The day I met him, I told him, you're the guy that knows the most about cars and that cares so much about the brand ever. If anyone deserved it, it's you. And at some point, I hope it's nationwide, dude, because you fucking deserve it. And also Mexican power, son.
Mexican power.
Woo! There we have it, 720, or should I say 730S, buddy?
Yeah, honestly, it's an upgrade.
With those
it's
wheels.
a massive upgrade.
Oh, with the wheels?
730S.
I appreciate that, thank you.
Incredible.
Oh my
I
God.
love this thing. By the way, I was just telling Farshad I was filming something outside that wrap, and I go spinning around the truck, and I hit a curve, and I'm falling for like 15 feet.
Did anyone see you?
I don't know. I immediately just started laughing like awkwardly. I was like, and I just started running towards you guys. It was so bad, dude.
Hey, those wheels, a lot of people have been asking me. The designs are mine, okay, mine. But Casey, I had told Casey, I want to do my wheels in gold. This is my inspiration. And he goes, dude, can you please trust me? Casey from 1221 Wheels. And he picked the color and look at that. I mean, holy shit. I can't wait to see this thing rolling. And I think we should just cut to Buddy doing beautiful shots of it. From Galpin, and I don't know how many of you guys know, but a year ago from today exactly, we were celebrating Corey's birthday. We made a video where he got in the car and jumped a 4x4 over a thing, and a year later we have Corey here at the office, and happy fucking birthday. Corey's the person that's allowed me to have the website, which is salomondrin.com, the way it is today, and because of that meeting that we had, because literally his friends hit us up because we had met him before, and they were like, dude, it would be such a great thing if you guys come over and show up for Corey. And we're like, that dude's a fucking dope dude. And we showed up, and then I found out that he's got all these crazy abilities. So fuck you all for not taking him before. I'm glad you're a part of my team. I love you, dude. Thank you. Happy birthday. Let's go to eat. Are they going?
Who knows?
I'm trying to get Buddy to get B-roll of far shot on that tiny seahorse over there.
Let's cut to it to see. So we came here last year, exactly a year ago. And you guys, do you remember that Parker that day was here?
Yeah.
And we saw Parker that day.
I wasn't here.
I'm sorry, Sergio, I know that.
I wasn't there either, but I edited
They sat us on this table. Same table. It's the same waitress.
Is it the same waitress?
What the fuck is going on? Yeah. Always keep your eyes open for those fucking good people that you meet. Because Corey's a great example of that. Sergio's a great example of that. Ivan, he's all right. I'll see you guys later. To Corey. Corey, happy birthday, my dude.
Yes, sir.
Much love, motherfucker. Enjoy, and enjoy the rest of your life. It's gonna be dope.